Are you tired of making models with cat ears attached to them? Have you ever wondered if there was an easier way to attach accessories onto your characters? Are you in need of a monkey on your shoulder with a bee on its head? Well, look no further, because today, ladies and gentlemen, we have an offer you cannot refuse. Introducing the body part system. The body part menu is a feature that can really help your character stand out. Instead of making models that already have accessories like headphones, a hat, or a tail, you can use this feature to put any model onto your characters. We'll demonstrate how to do it with a model block, but this can also work with recordings. Go into your model's config settings and select the body part menu. Here is where we'll be using all the tricks and stuff you'll see in the video. Click Add and select the limb you'd like to use. Then click Pick Morph and choose the morph you'd like to apply. If the positioning is off, you can edit the limb's position, size, and rotation to fit all your needs. You can also go into your limbs settings in case you'd like to change something, like its pose. Vehicles like cars or horses can be used with this too. Set the main morph as the vehicle, then add the driver on top of it using body parts. This pig is from the mob model pack. Check the link in the description below if you'd like to use vanilla mobs with the body part menu. If you recorded this, you'd play as the vehicle itself instead of the rider. If you'd rather be the person on top, set the vehicle morph underneath your character and select the Use Target checkbox. Then, turn off the walk cycle for the rider using the model editor. See the video in the info card in the top right corner for more information. The next feature involves particles. Particle morphs can be used as a limb just like any other morph and can create some really cool effects. Just remember to tick on Use Target checkbox or else the particles won't show. Finally, we're going to show you a very interesting feature with groups of morphs bunched together. Instead of attaching morphs onto our main morph, we're going to surround it with them like a personal guard. Don't forget to select the Use Target checkbox. If we recorded this, you'll see that we have our own posse following our every move because they're linked to the main morph. Note that if you have bigger hordes, turning may look a little weird. Some honorable mentions before we end today's video is the use of image morphs for logos and graphics, recording morphs for animated movements, and item morphs to attach tools and items onto ourselves. I hope this video inspired you to experiment with the body part system. If you still have any questions, please join McHorse's Discord, which is linked in the description below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and goodbye!